Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. A fast-moving system with little rain for the state again this week. A rainfall map from Wednesday shows how most of the state missed this one. Even at Broken Bow, with the highest recorded rainfall, they collected only 39/100ths of an inch on Wednesday. The missed rains are really showing up in northwest to north central Oklahoma, a major wheat production area. If we look at the soil moisture at the 10-inch depth, in the brown areas on our map, the fractional water index values range from 0 to 0.3. 0 is the driest on this index, 1 the wettest. Across the panhandle, southwest, south central, and eastern parts of the state, we see mostly green colors indicating good to excellent soil moisture at the 10-inch depth. This pattern is mimicked on a map of the percent of plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches. Soils in the brown area only have about 30% of the plant available water they can hold. A 30-day rainfall map shows the low rainfall areas we saw with low soil moisture. It is the blue map areas less than an inch of rain over the last 30 days. Here's Gary with the latest drought monitor map and hope for more rain.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, it was a really bumpy week, mostly lots of wind, very little rainfall, but we did see some drought improvement across southern Oklahoma, thanks mostly to that rain from last week. So let's take a look at the latest drought monitor map and see where we're at. We did see further reductions in the drought and even in the abnormally dry conditions across southern over into eastern Oklahoma. Now, unfortunately, up into north central Oklahoma, that really got pounded by that dry air and that wind this week. We did see that go up to moderate drought all the way up to the Kansas border and into Kansas. So a little bit of improvement in some areas, a little bit of intensification in other areas. Now the good news is, if you've been looking at the forecast, it does look like rainfall this coming week. We do see, as you look at this from the Climate Prediction Center, we do see increased odds of above normal precipitation across most of Oklahoma. And the good news doesn't end there. As we go out from November 21st through December 4th, so the 3 to 4 week outlook, we also see increased odds of above normal precipitation. So if any or all of that comes true, that should definitely help our drought outlook for the next month. Now, following that, we enter our 3 driest months of the year, the winter months. So whatever we get then, aided by El Nino, will certainly help us as we go into the spring of next year. Let's hope for a bunch. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.